Hey, TD here, coming to you with a coffee and spice grinder. I hope that's called KRUPS, I think it's called. It's black. And on the side here it says stainless steel, has stainless steel blades, specially designed stainless steel blade for fast and even grinding. It has a capacity of 3 ounces for 12 cups of coffee, grinds up to 3 ounces of beans for 12 cups of coffee. Easy one-touch grinding. One touch grinds for coffee, nuts, herbs, and spices. Okay, try to open this up. One hand. Let me open this, put this part off. And there we go. So, this is how it looks. So, I like how it's small and everything. And let's see, how do you open this up? I'm gonna do all this with one hand. Top slide. So you have to slide it up a little knob there. So you put the grinds in there, put the top back on it, and then once you finish, you put it into the little your coffee holder with the grind up beans. It tells you instructions here. The safeguards. Sorry. Let's do the instructions. So let me see if I can open this up. If I can. Okay, so I figured out how to open it. You push it down a little bit like that and then lift it. And there you go. You got the little holder, the little top part, and then here's the grinder right there. Like that. And with that, you can put like nuts in it, or spices, herbs, or coffee. It's just a very convenient little thing. Hopefully I can do like a video to test it out and see different things. Maybe get some nuts or some spices or maybe some coffee beans. Just demonstrate how it works. So I got this from Walmart for $13.88. It was on sale. I think it was like 20 something before, but they had it on clearance for $13.88. So I just bought it off the Walmart app and had it shipped to the house. Or you can have it picked up at the store if they have any in stock. So $13.88 and taxes, of course. So it's a very good, inexpensive spice and coffee grinder. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and have a blessed day.